Walnuts are a type of tree nut that are often enjoyed as a snack or used as an ingredient in recipes. They have a crunchy texture and a rich, slightly sweet flavor that makes them a popular choice among nut lovers. But beyond their taste, walnuts have a number of health benefits that make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. Here are 9 health benefits of walnuts. 1. Heart health. Walnuts are a great source of heart-healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These types of fats can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnuts also contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have a protective effect on the heart. 2. Brain health. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients that are important for brain health. They contain high levels of vitamin E, which has been shown to help protect against cognitive decline and improve brain function. Walnuts also contain other nutrients that are important for brain health, such as vitamin B6 and magnesium. 3. Weight loss. Despite their high fat content, walnuts can actually be a helpful tool for weight loss. This is because they are high in protein and fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Eating walnuts as part of a healthy diet can help to reduce cravings for unhealthy foods and may even help to boost your metabolism. 4. Diabetes management. Walnuts can be a helpful addition to the diet of those with diabetes or at risk for developing the condition. They contain high levels of antioxidants and other nutrients that may help to improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. 5. Cancer prevention. Walnuts contain high levels of antioxidants and other plant compounds that may help to protect against cancer. Some research has even shown that regular consumption of walnuts may be linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and colon cancer. 6. Bone health. Walnuts are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that is important for bone health. They also contain other nutrients that are important for bone health, such as calcium and vitamin K. Eating walnuts regularly may help to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Walnuts contain high levels of antioxidants and other plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. This may make them helpful for reducing inflammation in the body, which has been linked to a number of health problems such as heart disease and diabetes. 8. Skin health. The vitamin E and other antioxidants found in walnuts may be beneficial for skin health. Some research suggests that consuming walnuts may help to improve the appearance of the skin and protect against sun damage. 9. Mood and anxiety. Walnuts contain high levels of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a chemical that is thought to play a role in mood regulation. Some research suggests that consuming walnuts may help to improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. In conclusion, walnuts are a delicious and nutritious snack that offer a number of health benefits. They are a great source of heart-healthy fats, important for brain health, and may even help with weight loss and diabetes management. They also contain antioxidants and other plant compounds that may help to protect against cancer, reduce inflammation in the body, and improve skin health. And their tryptophan content may even have a positive effect on mood and anxiety. If you're not already adding walnuts to your diet, consider giving them a try. Your body and mind will thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our Natural Healing channel for future health tips. The Healing Factor is a motivated team that produce research-based high-quality educational videos about natural healing for you. Stay connected and wish you great health.